If your classroom looks like a scene from a sci-fi movie, you're an educator ready for Astorino. Astorino is here to revolutionize how students and educators experience robotics. Imagine a robot that's safe, affordable, and packed with the latest technology. That's Astorino for you. Designed with students in mind, Astorino offers a hands-on learning experience, mirroring the functionality of Kawasaki's industrial robots, but without the hefty price tag. At just $5,000, it's 5 times cheaper, letting schools get multiple units for more interactive sessions. Safety is a top priority. With its lightweight 3D printed body and stepper motors, Astorino ensures a secure environment for students to explore and innovate. Customization? We've got you covered. From 3D printable parts to various add-ons, Astorino adapts to your teaching needs. Get ready to equip your students with the skills they need for the future. Astorino by Kawasaki, where affordability meets innovation in education.